With the Soundboard brace kit prepared, we're ready for the final bracing operation. This process is performed on a 30-foot radius Stabilite workboard using the Soundboard Bracing Halo. The Halo registers to the existing reference holes, accurately locating every brace while matching the finished radius of the soundboard. After aligning and taping the two Halo halves together, install the X-brace locator. This temporary fixture precisely establishes the position of the X-brace without any measuring, creating the foundation for the entire brace layout. Once the X-brace has been positioned, secure it with a single go bar and remove the locator. From this point forward, the remaining braces are positioned using the brace alignment spacers, which accurately establish the spacing between each brace, while the brace trimming template ensured every intersecting angle fits correctly. Apply glue using your preferred method, then install each brace in sequence, adding the appropriate alignment spacer as you work across the soundboard. The spacers establish the geometry, allowing the entire brace layout to be assembled quickly and repeatably. The correct brace alignment spacer layout is included in your kit's documentation. When all of the braces have been secured, remove the Halo and clean any glue squeeze out from the brace ends before it cures. The soundboard bracing is now complete, accurately located, and ready for the remaining stages of the build. In the final process video, we'll prepare the rims by routing the brace relief pockets that allow the completed plates to fit precisely onto the body.